Hi, this is Vizi Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to increase view on Instagram Reels. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So, let's go. Do you want to know how to get more views on Instagram Reels? With Instagram as the fifth most downloaded app in the world, knowing how to promote your Reels makes your audience pay more attention to your brand. So, in this video, I will show you how to do it. Why you should get more views on Reels? There are tons of reasons why you need to take advantage of Instagram Reels feature. For one, marketing your business using Instagram Reels boosts your followers and encourage your target audience to discover more your content. So first, that you can do if you want to increase views on your Instagram Reels, you can create valuable content for your audience. What's the difference between using Instagram for your brand and using it for personal enjoyment? It's the kind of content you create and post on your Instagram profile, while your personal account can be a mix of everything that you want to upload. Your Instagram business profile is geared more towards marketing to your followers. To get more views on your Instagram Reels, they need to be educational, just like Neil Patel's Reels that focus on SEO tips for online marketers, so they consistently get tens of thousands of views per Reels. And you can use popular audio tracks in your Reels. Here's a secret hack that Instagram experts do to increase the number of Reels viewers. Go to Instagram Explore page and click on the Reels area. Because of Instagram advanced algorithm, you'll see relevant Reels based on your activity. You can use trending audios. You can see the audio is trending or not. If there's a arrow on the audio here, you can see the icon arrow on the audio here. That means that audio is trending audio. So it's number three, embed Instagram video feeds on your website. If you want a quick and easy way to promote your Instagram Reels to your site visitors, you can display your Instagram videos feed on your homepage to get more views. This way, your visitors can view your Reels right on your site, even if they are not on your followers yet. Number four, you can create Reels under 10 seconds. Did you know that the average attention span is up to 8 seconds only? This means that people will be less likely to watch your Instagram Reels if they longer than 8 to 10 seconds. And when you make Reels, you can add relevant hashtag. Another excellent way to increase views on your Reels is to use relevant hashtag. By adding targeted hashtag to your Reel, you can increase the chance of more users watching your Instagram videos. And number six, post when your followers are most active. A simple strategy to get more views and engagement for your Instagram Reels is to post at the right time where your followers are more active, like at night or in the morning. So that is tips or hacks how to increase views on your Instagram Reels. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.